I tell you, my husband Africa, I could not eat that till that does out. So to God be the glory, great things He has done. All who pray for me, all who support me, strongly firm.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Sandy and Bones TV. And if you are new, welcome to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you are returning, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another lit video. Before we get into the video, guys, I want to introduce membership and super chat. Whenever you see the premiere going on, you can leave a super chat or just to help out the channel grow and become a member of the channel where you can get shout out and support. So you can just scroll out on the about our channel if you see more.
Yeah, man, so let me tell you what I go on and I want to go over Queenie Vivo page and go support her, man. Yeah, man, she have new music that come out and thing. You don't know, sick around there, they write some music and turn on new management, you see. So, I go over there and give her the strength. She asks for some strength over there and she do it forward out, you see. Doing the care with Queenie are going to enjoy himself, you see me. But you don't know Queenie still not take the wrong, still like you do it the wrong and thing. And go move out and I'm not to talk out the things still. Just remember to like, comment and share and subscribe to the TV. You see it? Yeah, man, big up on yourself, man. Yeah, man.
I just cannot tell a check with the because I cannot hear me. Since because I cannot be taming. Anybody that cap fit, let them wear it. It's not everyone is the same. So you see if you're not guilty, don't take it. Because me see what woman in the ear now. Queenie cuss me. I say me cuss her, she said. Me I cuss my family. I say if the family were guilty, get the cussing. You see the one that I don't so me throw me can. I'm in a car, no fall. I saw love this dress. And I'm a go to hey, but me look good today, no? I told you see me now, I'm going to watch. Them shoes there, I spice me, I buy them slippers there. See that? Don't mind my foot if my foot dry. That is the next thing. If you think I'm going to see sun add some here, sweat some menopause, plus the heat, plus my anise, I'm put on one only for lotion for impressing a like when I tell them the guys see the dry foot I wash it and chop it. So, I'm at either way, and a lotion make my axe. Yeah, I'm going to slippers. When spice, a long time I put on artist, you know. When spicy come to this the same show here with me. Yeah. And what is about my foot? They're white? No, they're not so white. You ready? No, madam, alright. Ooh. I don't know white foot are bad. Do we give me a minute, baby? And when Spicer come, I buy the Gucci slippers there, I buy the belt, I buy 3 of the Gucci tights, and I just Gucci out, so one more cloth that girl cleaning. But away from that door, I was trying to see the way. Wanna see him for true? Watch the way. Hello? No, darling, bless and love. I know you do work today. Have a great day. All right, respect. Yeah. So, woo, Lord God, my axe. I'm not talking about do it. I'm just wait till when the do it song come out. You know, can and do it. Everywhere me go, then just have to do it. One man to me goodie. In order to do it. Ha. But remember when we did that, I said no. So see if you don't want the friendship, I don't want me to live in peace, love and harmony. Please go subscribe. Hey, I did carry you, please. Bambi Beaver. Yeah, but I'm going on my beaver. My husband ready. So, as I was saying, yeah, subscribe to the beaver. And the music, we're not gonna get the premiere. Stick around, we'll keep you like posted because me now do my thing on my one level, but we off a Sikaram level. So whatever Sikaram said, I have to work with it. He said, Queen, do not play out the wall of the song. Queen, do not send the song to anybody. Queen, don't post every minute. You post the picture of them. Queen only. No, I'm not lying. I'm big up on yourself, blessed love, and just subscribe. It's all about subscribing right now. Subscribe. More when we cover them, it's all. Oh, look at the time, Mr. Martin on my eye. It's only quick to tell me to take off the next eyelash. That's why they are Chinese, and that's why they are Japanese. That's it. When you're a hot girl, and you know you is that girl, you will never be a flat girl. Get the quote, no man. When you are a hot girl, and you know it's that girl, you cannot, will never be a flat girl. One of the answer now. She's on the still afraid over my husband. Queenie ever other, Queenie ever other. Hey, to Cherry, Mistress Scarlet. Mistress Scarlet. Mistress Scarlet. Hey, how to cherry you? I'm only human. If I love my husband, if I love my husband, hey, how to cherry you? I am only human. You got a problem. You got a problem. Hey, how to cherry you? I can't solve your problem. I cannot be everybody cup of tea because I'm not a fucking mom. So I have to be my cup of tea because this is me. This is what I want. This is what I like. This is what God said. Whatever will be, will be. The future's not us to see. Que sera, sera. What will be, will be. Whatever will be, will be. The future's not us to see. What's the location? Que sera, sera. When I was just a little girl, I asked my mommy, what will I be? Will I be pretty? Will I be rich? This is what she says to me. Que sera, sera. Whatever will be, will be. My husband is me to keep. My husband. I got on time, to God be the glory, great things is for it. To God, you see what is yours? Can't be another man. Oh no, could have chop. I am Queen husband. To God be the glory, great things he has done, and keep us the victory. Yeah, you know what you do? When you plant a nice farm, that way, you plant a nice farm, you see? You get the land, you get one man to cut out the land, then you rake up the rubbish, then you, what you do? Plow the land. And then after you plow the land and all of that, you know what happened? Guess what happened? A year belt. What happened? 4 minutes? So, yeah. Guess what happened after all of that? Somebody come, you plant, you get the June plum and you plant them by your land. And then you look and see the June plum at spring. And then from its spring, you see the leaf. And then when the leaf, the tree grow. And when the tree grow, you see the little fruits upon it. And then young till them get perfection. And when they reach perfection now, you see people just park a pass and pick a June plum, so. And you say, aye, you know much my cut you forget my June plum? It's like you having a mango. You have the mango and watch the mango how long, you know. And one morning you wake up, somebody just pick your mango. That's how people steal. When you plant your crop, when you dig out the ground, when you cut out the and when you get the man to plow out the foot, get all the manure and whatever. What you say? Can't find them, don't see them, don't know of them. When you saw the spring, so what I done, out of love and respect and care, we just take the June plum seed, when them eat out my June plum, and just plant back my June plum. And when I plant back my June plum seed grow. You see, if it wasn't a good June plum tree, it would have grown. You see the seed? Listen to the knowledge and the tacita when I sit on it. My when I'm not done, and I reminisce back to it. You see the seed, yeah? When you're done, you have the June plum, and you dash of the seed. When you have fall of the fruits, and you dash of the seed. You see if that seed is a bad seed, it won't grow. You see if it's a good seed, it's going to grow, and it's going to spring back, and it's going to bring back the next left, and it's going to bring back all fruits. Allow me to tell you, straight away we got to that one here. Oh, yeah. So, me on a reason, bigger man breathing, one queen in the deck.